excited after 18 years. It's such a great experience. And after seeing Virat Kohli crying yesterday, it was really very emotional for us, sir. Yes. Yes.
What this team means for you?
So it means immense joy, sir. I've taken off today. Yesterday also was my off, but today we have come just to see this joy, just to see Virat bringing the cup back to Bangalore, sir. We are so excited. Jai RCB! I'm here for my team and Virat Kohli. RCB!
So the multi-party delegation's goals were that of a delegation which was to reach out to civil society in diverse countries. Having people from different parties has clearly had an impact, because everybody is surprised that such a diverse country with so many differences, people are united in countering terror. So it's both a symbolic gesture but a substantive one too, because we were able to meet legislators, people from other diverse segments of society. It complements our traditional diplomacy. So number one, if you want to tick out, it's expanded the base of Indian diplomacy. Number two is that as a country, we have now come up with new terms of engagement in terms of trying to counter terrorism. It's important to sensitize all our friends, partners and public at large. This was that effort to indicate that there are new red lines in India's approach to counter-terrorism, and that has been communicated effectively, clearly, both to leaders as well as to civil society. It helps in sensitizing people because it's a preventive measure, it's a measure for the future, not about the past, because should there be any such attack, people are aware how India would respond. So in a diplomatic sense, we've also engaged in preventive diplomacy, and we hope that this will deter to some extent any future thinking on the lines of what we've suffered at in the last few years, because our policy of restraint is now being superseded, and we now have a policy of resolve, and that is an effective deterrent. That's what we've noticed from where people we have engaged with. Also, there are some takeaways for us of how others perceive these things and what are their concerns, and we've been able to address and alleviate them.
As you said that these are for future measure, do you think that this outreach is going to put pressure on Pakistan?
So, building of narratives is a long-term process. Wars which are kinetic in nature usually last for short term. But building of narratives is a long-term process of building, and it's also a long-term process of seeping into the minds of people. So soft power has a role. It's a role which can't be easily tangibly identified, but it does play a role, because when people want to cross thresholds, they realize what are the limitations, and such visits add to the soft power of India, add to the building of narratives.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी जी अगर अपने सारे कार्यकर्ताओं को घोड़ा कह रहे हैं, अलग अलग वैरायटी का, कोई बारात का, कोई रेस का, कोई जंग का, तो फिर अपनी भी क्वालिटी बताएं कि ये कौन से घोड़े हैं, ये बारात के हैं, लंगड़े घोड़े हैं या जंगी घोड़े हैं.
Fantastic day, because RCB has won after 18 years of waiting, and we are very happy for celebrating here. So we are waiting for Virat Kohli here.
How you remember this day for your life?
It's a very memorable day, and we have enjoyed a lot yesterday night itself, and we are waiting for Virat to come here and we can enjoy more here.
Okay. So Virat Kohli will come in some time.
Yeah, we are waiting for him.
Feel now?
Yeah, we are waiting for his arrival, and we will make us so loud sound that the whole world see us here.
Yeah, very special moment, and we are feeling already goosebumps. We are waiting for the team to come over here and celebrate with our state chief minister and all. We'll be very glad to see our whole team come, and it will be very energized here all over around us. No, actually they were working very hard since 18 years, and finally they got. Actually, it's not the single player contribution. Every team has contributed since 18 years. Like ABD, Chris Gayle have contributed, especially for qualifiers. One like Jitesh Sharma performed 85. that was very absolutely fine.
There
Good.
is a tears, there is a on fear also yesterday.
Yeah, it was fear.
Today
Like
is the-
they started first 10 overs, it was very fear. Like they are going. The run rate was going through Punjab side. Then after that, Krunal Pandya, player of the match, he performed very well. And again that Hazelwood, fantastic match, man.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಕಾಯತ್ರದಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸಿ, ಯಾರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಸಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ನಡೀರಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
बेल्जियम हम लोग पहुंचे हैं। महात्मा गांधी जी पर पुष्पांजलि डाली है अभी। हम लोग को ब्रीफिंग भी दी है एम्बेसडर ने। यूरोपियन यूनियन, बेल्जियम, यहाँ की कम्युनिटी अपना स्टैंड इन सबों को बताते हुए हम अपनी बात कहेंगे। और हम लोग यहाँ ह्यूमन राइट्स की भी बात करेंगे कि आतंकवाद के जो विक्टिम हैं उनके भी ह्यूमन राइट की चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
Yeah, actually we are feeling very proud that RCB has won the IPL title after 18 long years, and we are here. We are missing our office, we are missing our meetings and all, and we are here just to support the team and just to support VK18.
We thank RCB for giving us this trophy. It's been a long wait, and I think this moment will not be forgotten by any RCB fans for a long time to come. And Virat Kohli's name is etched in our memory, right? So thank you so much, RCB. We love you, and we will love you forever.
Is a matter related to the corruption in judiciary. So there is no scope for any politicking. There is no scope for taking a separate political position for every party. So we would like to have a united stand. The Parliament as a whole will have to come together to discuss this matter and move forward. So I am building consensus amongst all the political parties, and I have started a discussion with prominent leaders, and I'll reach out to everybody.
Sir, as Rahul Gandhi has, commented yesterday against Operation Sindhu, the comment has been
No, that I will not talk about the Operation Sindhu. The another information I would like to share is government has decided to convene the monsoon session of the Parliament from 21st July till 12th of August, and all our business and other subject matters to be taken up during the monsoon session are ready, and we have taken a decision, and it will be conveyed to Rashtrapati Ji for the summoning of the House.
Sir, as you are in discussion with all the parties on impeachment motion, so what kind of response you are getting from these parties?
Very positive. As I said, in this matter there is no scope for taking a political stance by each party. The matter is very serious, and it is extremely important for the nation. So when we discuss about corruption, whether it's corruption in judiciary or anywhere, it has to be taken in best consideration of the nation. We are not going to have a partisan view on that.
It's a step that we should appreciate, but मैं और एक चीज कहूंगी, जब भी आप ट्रेन के, जब भी आप रेलवे कहीं एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं, हमने खुद यहाँ देखा अनंतनाग में नियर पहलगाम ऑल्सो, वो एक रेल ट्रैक के थ्रू ऑर्चर्ड्स के थ्रू दे वांटेड टू एस्टैब्लिश अ रेल ट्रैक. सो वी शुड बी मोर माइंडफुल. कश्मीर इकोलॉजिकली बहुत फ्रैजाइल है, बट इट इज अ वेलकम स्टेप. वो यहाँ आ रहे हैं, आई थिंक उनको पिछले महीने आना था, बट तब वो नहीं आ पाए. सो इट्स अ वेलकम स्टेप. बट ये जो ट्रेन शायद इनॉग्रेट हो रही है, उसका जो सफर है वो यहाँ के पैसेंजर्स के लिए बहुत इनकन्वीनियंट है, क्योंकि शायद उनको कटरा में उतर के उनकी कुछ सिक्योरिटी चेक वगैरह होती है, कुछ लॉन्ग डिले होता है वहाँ 2-3 घंटे का. सो दीज आर थिंग्स दैट शुड बी लुक्ड इनटू.
India is a wonderful place. It's a really wonderful place, and as many people as possible should come to India and see.
What you have learned about the Indian and Hinduism culture?
Sorry?
What you have learned about Indian culture?
Well, we have a lot of Indians in my country, where I come from, so I know the Indian culture, and coming here has just reinforced it. Very good culture, very kind people, full of love, decency. Probably the nicest people you could ever meet.
Sir, what are your business plans in India?
Well, we have a few small plans which are slowly being looked at.
देखिए, पिछले 3-4 दिनों में जो मूसलाधार बारिश हुई है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में और सिक्किम में, उसके वजह से यह स्थिति बनी है. कई जगह पर लैंडस्लाइड्स हुए हैं, सिक्किम में, अरुणाचल में, और फ्लडिंग हुई है, खासकर अर्बन फ्लडिंग हुई है. इसको देखते हुए एनडीआरएफ की 23 टीमें हमारी प्रीपोजिशन की गई हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में और सिक्किम में. एक टीम कल हमारी एयरलिफ्ट भी हुई थी बागडोगरा से सिक्किम में. वहाँ पर जो फिलहाल हालात हैं उसमें लैंडस्लाइड हुआ है एक, जिसमें कि आर्मी के कुछ ऑफिसर्स वो वहाँ पर मिसिंग हैं. 3 की डेथ हुई है, 4 इंजर्ड हैं और 6 अभी मिसिंग बताए जा रहे हैं, जिनकी अभी तलाश जारी है. इसके अलावा एक व्हीकल भी गॉर्ज में गिरी है वहाँ पर चुंगथाम में, जहाँ पर तकरीबन 11 लोग थे उस गाड़ी में, और उसमें से 9 लोगों की बॉडी अभी भी जो है नहीं मिली है, मिसिंग है बताए जा रहे हैं वो. इनकी कार्रवाई हो रही है। इसके अलावा लाचुंग और लाचेन में जो वहां पर टूरिस्ट कुछ फंसे हुए थे उनको भी निकालने की कार्रवाई चल रही है। इसमें खासतौर पर क्योंकि लैंडस्लाइड आया है, कुछ रोड जो है वो बाधित हैं, तो उसको ओपन करने में बीआरओ काम पर लगे हुए हैं और एनडीआरएफ और आर्मी, आईटीबीपी, लोकल पुलिस सभी एजेंसीज के साथ मिलकर के इनको सेफ पैसेज देने की कार्रवाई चल रही है। आज का जो दिन है, आज ऑरेंज अलर्ट है नॉर्थ ईस्ट के ज़्यादातर स्टेट्स में, और कल के बाद ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि जो वेदर प्रेडिक्शन है एमडी का, उसमें सुधार होगा और स्थिति सामान्य हो जाएगी।
ಅಪಾರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಮೆರವ ಭವ್ಯ ನಾಡಿದು ವಿಜಯನಗರದ ವೀರಪುತ್ರ ಈ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರದ ಸುಶ್ರಾವ್ಯ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಇದೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕೇಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಹಳ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಲೋ,
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜಾಲತಾಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಡೀ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನಗಳು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಅನಗತ್ಯ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅಸಹಕಾರ ಬೇಡ. ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ಹೌದು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
I have spoken to the police commissioner and all the people. I'm also going little late to the hospital because now a lot of trouble is there. I don't want to disturb the doctors who are trying to take care of the patients. And only the exact number is not been still this one. So we are at it. We appeal to all of them to still to be calm.
How many people died?
That is why we cut off a lot of programs were there. We didn't want to continue with the program. Only within 10 minutes with one round we just closed it. And we appeal even in the metros, whatever the metros has been jammed. We are not able to start. We are taking a little bit time to see that everything comes to the normal position.
What is at present number?
No, I can't. Yes. Of course. There is some issues. I will come back to you after I visit the hospital.
Sir,
No, I can't.
Only 5,000 police personnel were deployed, sir. What you said, the crowd that came in was running into thousands, sir. Was
No,
this enough?
it was not thousands, it was lakhs. ನಾ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ
BJP is saying, sir, it was
ನೋಡಿ
an emergency.
ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೋ ನಮ್ಮವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I don't blame my police department. They have done their best.
Sir, what do you want to say to those who are alleging at present, sir?
No, they are there to allege. We are there to protect.
You are going to a hospital, sir?
Yes.
You are meeting those patients? who are
Yes,
taking
I'm going.
पाकिस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री शहबाज शरीफ का रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो अवेलेबल है, जिसमें वो कह रहे हैं 9-10 अगस्त की दरमियानी रात को 2:30 बजे मेरे जनरल आसिफ मुनीर ने मुझे जगा कर ये कहा कि वजीर आजम साहब, पाकिस्तान के कई एयर बेसेस के ऊपर अटैक हो गया है और नूर खान एयर बेस पर भी मिसाइल गिरी है। ये आसिम मुनीर और शहबाज शरीफ दोनों का कबूलनामा है। फिर वो अजरबैजान में भी जाके बोले कि हम तो फजर की नमाज का इंतजार कर रहे थे कि 4:30 के बाद अटैक करेंगे, उससे पहले ही इंडिया ने अटैक कर दिया रात्रि के तीसरे पहर में ही। तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूं राहुल गांधी जी से कि शहबाज शरीफ और आसिफ मुनीर के इकबालिया बयान के बाद भी अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आपको क्या कहा जाए? राहुल शरीफ कहा जाए या राहुल मुनीर कहा जाए? क्योंकि आप तो मुनीर और शरीफ से भी ज्यादा बड़े पाकिस्तान के पक्ष में तकरीर देने वाले नजर आ रहे हैं।
आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज UNI।
Wellman Finance is a personal finance platform focused on empowering and serving millennials to take a well-informed decision while buying a financial product like home loan, personal loan, business loan, loan against property, credit card, car loan, SME loan, insurance, etc.
न्यूज UNI हम जियो TV, बाबा,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम
रॉक TV, और प्ले ऑन TV पर उपलब्ध हैं।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम।
अधिक अपडेट के लिए YouTube और Facebook पर फॉलो करें।
साल में एक